Now here's what this video is about. We went to the mechanic community. We looked at long-term ownership data. We studied consumer reliability records and real-world high-mileage ownership feedback. And we came back with 7 pickup trucks that you can buy right now for under $8,000 that the people who actually fix vehicles for a living say will simply never die. These are not the trucks that get advertised during the Super Bowl. These are not the trucks with the biggest marketing budgets or the flashiest new features. These are the trucks that quietly keep running while everything around them falls apart. We are counting down all 7 from the bottom of the list to the single best under $8,000 pickup truck you can buy anywhere in the market today. Stay until the very end because number 1 has a story behind it that the entire industry has been trying to make you forget. Let us get into it. Number 7. Nissan Frontier 1998 to 2004. The first generation Nissan Frontier is one of the most consistently overlooked pickup trucks in the entire used vehicle market. While everyone argues about Toyota versus Ford versus Chevy, the first generation Frontier has been quietly racking up extraordinary mileage in the hands of owners who simply refuse to get rid of them. And the reason they refuse to get rid of them is straightforward. These trucks refuse to break. The 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine in this generation is the configuration that mechanics consistently point to when reliability discussions come up. It is simple. It is honest. It has no exotic technology designed to improve efficiency at the cost of long-term durability. It breathes, it burns fuel, it makes power, and it keeps doing all 3 things for an extraordinarily long time with basic maintenance. The body-on-frame construction of this generation gives it a structural integrity that modern unibody trucks simply cannot match. The frame is solid, the body panels are thick, and the suspension components were designed for longevity rather than cost reduction. Rust is the primary concern on northern state examples, so finding a clean southern or western state truck is the move. But when you find one, you are looking at a vehicle that regularly sees 200,000 to 250,000 miles without major mechanical intervention. For buyers who need a truck that actually works rather than a truck that looks impressive in a parking lot, the first generation Frontier is one of the smartest purchases available under $8,000. Parts are widely available. Independent mechanics know this truck completely, and the ownership economics are about as favorable as anything in the used truck market. And what comes next on this list takes the working truck philosophy even further and adds a reliability legacy that spans multiple decades of real-world proof. Number 6. Ford Ranger 1998 to 2011. The Ford Ranger is the truck that Ford discontinued and then brought back because the buying public simply refused to forget about it. And the reason the buying public refused to forget about it is the same reason it belongs on this list. The Ranger from this era is one of the most durable, most practical, and most genuinely reliable small pickup trucks ever built by an American manufacturer. The 2.3-liter 4-cylinder and the 4.0-liter V6 are the 2 engine configurations that dominate the reliability conversation for this generation. The 4-cylinder is the lower cost, lower maintenance option that delivers exceptional fuel economy alongside very good long-term durability. The 4.0-liter V6 adds meaningful power for towing and hauling without introducing the complexity that creates expensive repair bills. What makes the Ranger from this era particularly compelling is the parts ecosystem. Because Ford built and sold so many of these trucks across such a long production run, the parts market is enormous. Everything you will ever need is available. It is available everywhere, and it is not expensive. That parts availability translates directly into lower ownership costs over the life of the truck, and lower ownership costs are the single most important factor in total value over a long ownership period. The interior is not going to impress anyone. This is a working truck, and it was designed like one. But the mechanical reliability, the frame integrity, and the engine longevity of the best examples from this generation are genuinely impressive. Clean examples with documented service history can be found well within the $8,000 budget, and they will keep working long after that budget has been forgotten. But the real surprise on this list is still ahead, and it is going to change the way you think about what a reliable truck actually looks like. Number 5. Chevrolet S10 1994 to 2003. The Chevrolet S10 is a truck that an entire generation of Americans grew up watching their fathers and grandfathers drive into the ground and then keep driving. It is small, it is simple, and it is built with the kind of mechanical straightforwardness that makes mechanics genuinely happy to work on it. The 4.3-liter V6 in this generation of S10 is the engine that elevates it onto this list. This engine is a direct descendant of the small block V8 architecture that General Motors built its entire reputation on, and it carries that heritage in every meaningful way. It is robust, it is torquey, it has real pulling power for a small truck, and it has a documented track record of reaching very high mileage without catastrophic failures when maintained with basic diligence. The 4.3-liter V6 S10 is also a remarkably capable little truck despite its compact dimensions. It will tow a reasonable load, it will haul a practical payload, and it will do both of those things repeatedly for a very long time without complaint. For buyers who need genuine truck utility in a package that fits a tight budget, the S10 with the 4.3 delivers more real-world capability per dollar than almost anything else in this price range. Pricing on solid examples of this generation sits well under $8,000 in most markets. In many cases, you can find genuinely clean examples for between $3,000 and $6,000, which leaves meaningful budget room for any maintenance or cosmetic attention the truck might need. The ownership economics at this price point are extremely compelling. And the next car on this list takes everything we just said and flips it completely on its head. Number 4. Dodge Dakota 2000 to 2004. The Dodge Dakota occupies a unique position in the pickup truck world that no other manufacturer has ever fully replicated. It is a mid-size truck in terms of overall dimensions, but it carries a full-size truck engine and a full-size truck capability rating. And in this specific generation, it does all of that with a reliability record that consistently surprises people who have written off Dodge trucks entirely. The 4.7-liter V8 in this generation of Dakota is the engine that makes this truck genuinely special. It is powerful in a way that no small or mid-sized truck competitor from this era can match. It pulls confidently, it accelerates with real authority, and it has a long-term reliability record that holds up well when maintenance has been performed on schedule. The cooling system needs attention, and the intake manifold gaskets are a known service item, but both are well-understood issues with well-established solutions that independent mechanics handle routinely. What the Dakota V8 offers that nothing else in this price range can match is the combination of genuine full-size truck power with a smaller overall footprint that makes daily driving, parking, and maneuvering significantly easier than a full-size pickup. For buyers who need real truck capability but live in environments where a full-size truck is cumbersome, the Dakota V8 fills that gap perfectly. Clean examples from this generation can be found for between $4,000 and $8,000. The truck is large enough to be genuinely useful and small enough to be genuinely practical, and with the V8 under the hood, it never feels underpowered regardless of what you ask it to do. What comes after this one is going to make a lot of people rethink everything they thought they knew about buying a used truck. Number 3. Toyota Tacoma 1995 to 2004. The first-generation Toyota Tacoma is not a forgotten truck in the traditional sense. Enthusiasts know exactly what this truck is and what it is worth. But the general buying public, particularly buyers who are not deeply embedded in the truck community, consistently underestimates what this generation represents in terms of long-term value and mechanical longevity. This generation of Tacoma was built during Toyota's peak manufacturing era. The materials were not subject to the cost reduction pressures that modern manufacturing introduces. The frame was built thick. The engine, whether the 2.7-liter four-cylinder or the 3.4-liter V6, was engineered with longevity as the primary design priority. The body panels resist rust better than most competitors from the same era, and the overall construction quality reflects a manufacturing philosophy that simply does not exist in the current automotive landscape. The 3.4-liter V6 in this generation is specifically worth discussing because it is one of the finest truck engines Toyota has ever produced. It makes adequate power for real truck work. It is smooth and refined for a truck engine. It has an excellent track record of reaching very high mileage, and it does all of this with a mechanical simplicity that keeps maintenance costs low and repair processes straightforward. Finding a first-generation Tacoma in clean condition for under $8,000 requires patience and diligence because the market has recognized the value of these trucks and prices have risen accordingly. But with careful searching, particularly in warmer climate states where rust is not a concern, clean examples can still be found within budget. And when you find one, you are getting one of the genuinely great used truck purchases available anywhere in the market. But what is coming up next is the one that mechanics talk about behind closed doors, and it is going to completely reframe this entire conversation. Number 2. GMC Sonoma 1994 to 2003. The GMC Sonoma is the Chevrolet S10 wearing slightly more upscale clothes, and that distinction matters more than most buyers realize. The Sonoma was positioned as the premium version of the S10 platform, which means examples from this era were often optioned with better interior materials, more comfort features, and a slightly more refined overall presentation. But underneath, the mechanical foundation is identical to the S10, which means all of the reliability benefits we discussed earlier apply completely. The reason the Sonoma earns its own separate entry on this list above the S10 comes down to one specific factor: value perception. Because the Sonoma carries a slightly more premium image than the S10, buyers who do not know the mechanical relationship between the two trucks often overlook it entirely. That means clean Sonoma examples, particularly with the 4.3-liter V6, can sometimes be found at prices that represent even better value than equivalent S10 examples, simply because fewer people are competing for them. The 4.3-liter V6 Sonoma has all of the mechanical strengths we outlined for the S10. The same engine, the same transmission, the same frame, the same fundamental reliability architecture. But it often comes with a cleaner interior, better trim-level equipment, and in many cases, a more careful ownership history, because Sonoma buyers tended to treat their trucks as slightly more valued possessions than S10 buyers did. For the budget-conscious buyer who wants maximum reliability per dollar spent, the GMC Sonoma with the 4.3-liter V6 is one of the smartest purchases on this entire list. Prices on clean examples sit between $3,000 and $7,000 in most markets, leaving real budget room for any attention the truck might need before entering long-term service. And we have saved the absolute best for last, the truck that mechanics consistently name above everything else when the question of what they would personally buy under $8,000 comes up. And the answer is going to surprise a lot of people. Number 1. Toyota Hilux, 1989 to 1997. If you know what the Toyota Hilux is, you already know why it is number 1 on this list. And if you do not know what the Toyota Hilux is, what you are about to learn is going to fundamentally change the way you think about truck reliability forever. The Toyota Hilux is the vehicle that the BBC television program Top Gear famously tried to destroy. They submerged it in the ocean. They dropped it from a building. They set it on fire. They put it on top of a building that was then demolished with explosives. And after every single one of those attempts, the Hilux started and drove away. That was not staged for television drama. The producers genuinely expected to destroy it and genuinely could not. That is the kind of mechanical indestructibility we are talking about. But forget the television stunts for a moment and focus on what actually matters for real-world ownership. The 2.4-liter and 2.7-liter four-cylinder engines in this generation of Hilux are among the most thoroughly proven truck engines in the history of motorized vehicles. They are used by aid organizations operating in the most remote and hostile environments on Earth, precisely because they are known to keep running under conditions that would destroy almost any other vehicle. They are used by military forces around the world for the same reason. When you absolutely cannot afford for the vehicle to stop working, you use a Hilux. The frame on this generation is extraordinary, thick, well-engineered, and resistant to the fatigue and corrosion that claims most trucks at high mileage. The suspension components are built for durability above everything else. The body panels are solid and age well. The overall construction philosophy of this generation reflects a standard of engineering that was genuinely exceptional, even by the standards of what was a golden era for Japanese truck manufacturing. Real-world ownership data on this generation of Hilux is almost mythological in its consistency. Stories of these trucks reaching 400,000, 500,000, and in documented cases, over 600,000 miles on original engines are not isolated incidents. They are the natural outcome of extraordinary engineering meeting consistent, basic maintenance. Oil changes, tires, brakes. That is genuinely the maintenance budget for the early life of one of these trucks. Finding a clean example for under $8,000 requires patience and a willingness to search carefully because the market has begun to recognize what these trucks represent. But examples are out there, particularly in warmer states and in rural markets where trucks are valued for what they do rather than how they look. When you find the right one, with a clean service history and a body that has been protected from rust, you are making one of the finest used vehicle purchases available anywhere at any price point. For buyers who need a truck that will simply never stop working, who want a vehicle that mechanics universally respect and enthusiastically recommend, and who want to spend under $8,000 to get it, the Toyota Hilux from this generation is the only answer that makes complete sense. Nothing else on this list, and very little else in the entire used vehicle market at any price, can match what this truck offers in terms of proven,